name is Diana, and today I'm going to talk about learning strategies, specifically memory related strategies. So, learning strategies are techniques that students use to help them understand, remember, and use new information more effectively. So, these strategies are useful when we are learning new languages because they help store information in our memory and relate it later when we need it. So, today I will explain two memory related strategies. One is repetition, and the other is using physical response. So, first one, repetition. Okay, so repetition means repeating words, phrases, or information several times so the brain remembers the better. When we repeat something many times, it becomes easier for us to understand and to memorize it so we can remember it better later. For example, when we are learning new words in English or in another language, students might say the word out loud many times, or maybe write it down many times, or practices using in different kind of sentences many times. So in this order, the repetition helps the students to understand the words and to memorize it, to use it better later in sentences or in phrases. Here we can see the repetition strategy. The learner repeats the word several times to help store it in memory. Repetition helps the brain become familiar with the word, making it easier to remember later. The second strategy is using physical response. This strategy means using the body movements or actions to help remember words or concepts. When the learners use this strategy or they use movements with language, the information become easier to remember. For example, if you are learning the word jump, you can actually jump while saying the word. If you are learning also another words like open, you can do the action and you can remember better the information later in this way. Now we can see the physical response strategy. The learner connects the word with a body movement. This action helps create a stronger memory of the word and its meaning.